What go on, mama? Papa, me fi say. Yo, you know want him. Man, you know want him. Fuck you up with them rascal. Man. Him always lay down for you though. Oh, watch him now. I love when a woman pet him, you know.
Oh, there's a spider on me.
Asleep, man. Him frightened. Some frightening. Pig, them are sitting anything, you know.
What's up, handsome? What's up?
Yeah. Outside we going. That me I tell you where the bugs live. My daughter. Dolly Ashwa. Yeah. Say hi, Ashwa.
The one that's on your extra key to your car.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. You know your doll. Jump up in your seat and go out with your dolly style. You see how my wallet's stressed. Gas station because it. Remember when the pandemic just started, boy? Gas was like 3 something. We know say that shit a come back on buy me then. Not no free in America, that way I tell you. Not even the stimulus check. Big hives. Yeah. Outside, you know. The whole family about to make a trip to the DMV. Yeah. Because the DMV is so difficult. Them say them need me for a signature. Fine. But me here say there's a long line. Not fine. I'm sure now me I go beat the system. Yeah. So we outside on the way. And yeah, write some code, you know. Right now I get that. Oh, update my branch, my remote branch. Yeah. Right up. Yeah, go cry back here, bro. Eh? Oh no. Oh no.
Burberry's on me. Cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me. Clocks on feet like a London street. You know see, £400 OG. Ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me I move, me not touch Whitney. Born a rape a boy and kill a boy, we touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quickly. Dirty politicians swear man a them sick me. Me a touching at the place, money I fi spend. Red wine boost me up, no need supplicant. I did that grow with them so I can fuck with them. Walk round 5Gs, such a park. Burberry 590, me pay for that. 190, me pay for the burbs. GG4, want me smoke, me can't move right now.
Outside where the bugs live and my registration, yeah, just come renew it. So now I handle this, you see me and say, yeah, update the target now. Yeah, back to the meeting, because I have a meeting in a bit. So I play dirty. Here I come into your vehicle dirty, boy. What we do, we know the drive through a Mickey D, I get the usual road snack. You see me? And then after this now, back home and thing, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, thank you. You as well.
Yeah. Yeah, road snack, alright? Large fries and some hamburger from Mickey D's, that's road snack. When you go lunch from Mickey D's, you have to go quarter pounder and fries. When you go dinner from Mickey D's, you have to go quarter pounder. Then the chicken version of the quarter pounder. You know that one day what them have? You have to do smoothie and a drink. Yeah. Girl, you better wait on this.
I wouldn't do that. I'm a real street nigga, I thought you knew that. You a nerd, I'm a joint, I thought you knew that. If he snap back, he gon' get his cap blue back.
But I don't feel anything in the house. The house feels fucking normal. In my protection candle.
Outside wide. Lord God, rest in peace to one of my G's, John Star. Think about every day you, the parasites and pagan them what around them was supposed to help build them up. Instead of people them help build them up, people abandon them and break away from them and fuck them up. Ain't that a bitch? That's why I'm gonna put my strength in a people support. Just suck them mother. You don't have to support me. See me? Because the way me look on it is if me have to put my strength in a year support, what happen when you wake up and decide say you don't want to support me no more? You get what me I say? And me feel like fish out of water. Go suck them mother me. See me? Yeah. No for no going reaching on no 80s and full of regret and remorse. Because our we not did so focus on people and not focus on self. That when it's all slow down and the people them no longer around and you need them. Let me tell you, in this world, some people who don't have support of themselves and yo focus on yourself. You see me? Because all support come to an end. Your parents them going dead, you know. If you're my age, you probably all start lose parents already. That's your first support. So you just show you say nothing in this earth no last forever. Everything come to an end. Even one day, the great Danny British I go end. Just life.